Hi, I'm Morgan Bowling, and today I'm going to show you how to make Gravlax, the perfect make-ahead party appetizer. First, place a third cup of packed light brown sugar and a quarter cup of kosher salt in a bowl. Mix these together until combined. The salt draws liquid from the fish and cures it, while the brown sugar counters the harshness of the salt and adds a deeper, richer flavor. Next, drizzle 3 tablespoons of brandy onto a 1-pound skin-on salmon fillet. If necessary, spoon up any brandy in the dish and drizzle over any spots you missed. The goal is to hit every part of the fillet with some moisture so that the salt cure will adhere. Using your hands, rub the salmon evenly on its top and sides with the sugar mixture. You want to really pack it on, so press firmly on the mixture so that it adheres to the salmon. Lastly, top it off with a good thick layer of chopped dill. Once you've added all of the ingredients, loosely cover the salmon with plastic wrap. Don't make it too taut, just make sure the salmon is completely covered. Now, place a square baking dish or pie plate on top of the covered salmon. Then, place several large, heavy cans in the dish to weight it, and move the whole thing to the refrigerator. You need to refrigerate the salmon until it feels firm, about 3 days. Each day, remove the weights, dish, and plastic wrap, and baste the salmon with the liquid released into the baking dish. Make sure to hit every part of the dill with the basting liquid so it looks thoroughly moistened. If any of the dill swims off, put it back in place before reassembling and returning it all to the fridge. After 3 days, scrape the dill, sugar, and salt off of the salmon. A butter knife works really well for pushing back the dill without cutting into the fish. At this point, the Gravlax can be left whole and wrapped tightly in plastic and refrigerated for up to 1 week. Or you can dig in. Remove the fillet from the dish and place it onto a cutting board. Make sure to pat it dry with paper towels before slicing. Using a long, sharp knife, slice the salmon as thin as you can on the bias. Don't cut through the skin underneath. This flap can be folded over the remaining Gravlax to help keep it fresh and moist. Enjoy it on its own or with cream cheese, shallots, or other accoutrements. Just make sure to save some for your guests. Thanks for watching. Tell us what you thought of this how-to in the comments below, and hit that subscribe button.